Zombie apocalypse.
What's up everyone, welcome to Tech Bunch. My name is Shubham Giri and welcome to yet another video on how to make money online. What if I tell you, you could make money by doing things that you are already doing on the internet? So this is one of the most important video because in this video I'll tell you top 5 websites that pays you for doing nothing. Yes, you heard it right, that pays you for doing nothing. That is, you can earn money online by watching videos or doing some simple stuffs like surveys. And these are some legitimate and top rated websites for online surveys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So number one website is SwagBucks. This is a pretty good website when it comes to online surveys and videos. So I'll give you the link in the description below. When you are here, simply click on join today. That is the sign up option. And type out your email address. And give it your password. Confirm the same password below. And once you're done with that, simply click on sign up. And this will open up for you. And look at the amount, the credit that they are offering in order to fill out simple surveys and watch simple videos. So even if you refer a friend, you earn 10% for lifetime on the surveys that they complete. So that's the best part about SwagBucks, I would say. Even you can refer your friends and earn the money that they are earning, some percentage for that. And go ahead and fill out all these surveys. These are some basic surveys for some extra points. So you'll earn points in the form of SB, which is SwagBucks. For every 100 SwagBucks, it is equal to $1, and you'll be able to cash out instantly on your PayPal account if you make it to 100 SB. So it's pretty much easy here to earn SBs. So simply go ahead and fill out all these details and take out all the surveys. And once you're done with that, click on take me to the home page. And once you're done with all the surveys, this is your home page. And here you'll see different options that are available for your surveys, and you'll see the amount of SB that you can earn by doing each of the surveys. So it's pretty much easy and it's vast. You have broad categories. You can even review different products and earn SB on SwagBucks. And here you'll see your to-do list. That is, every day you have to complete different surveys in order to maintain a good amount of SB and earn more on this. So even if you spend an hour or two per day, you can easily make $20 to $30 a week. That's the best part. And the earning is really quick, and you can easily make tons of money by spending minimal amount of time on this website. So here you will see different options. Here you have redeem SB. Once you have reached like 100 or 500, you can redeem SB in the form of different cards, shopping cards, or even you can cash out directly into your PayPal. So you have the amount of SBs written here. For 1000 SBs, you'll get $10. And trust me, it's not that hard to earn SB out here because you have different options and different categories to earn money and SB. So look at the amount of cash they have already cashed out. There are tons of users here and they enjoy this website. It's pretty much easy and they get opportunities out here. And once you're here, make sure you confirm your email. Simply go ahead and sign up on your Gmail account and check for the link that they have sent to you and click on confirm, and you'll be done. And you can activate your daily goals. It will notify you if you have completed your daily goals of SB or not. And you can even search out different gifts card here. So that was SB for you. It's pretty easy, and you should definitely try this website. We have Price Rebel. Simply go ahead and search Price Rebel, and this is the official website. I'll put all the links in the description below. When you're here, simply sign up with Facebook, or you can manually sign up as well. So I'll go ahead and sign up with Facebook. And once you're done with the sign up, you'll be redirected to their homepage, and go ahead and type out your password. Make sure they match. So once you're inside your Price Rebel account, go ahead and fill out all the basic details about yourself, because they have points on this as well. And once you're done with all the details, make sure to check out all these options, which is you can earn online by doing surveys, or even they have different activities like watching particular videos or listening to different music. So these are other options they offer, and you can check the rewards here, that what you can get. Like when you have 500 bucks out here, you can cash out $5 PayPal, and you have other different tons of reward here. You have even Amazon Pay gift card and other gifts card available. So you don't need to worry about the paycheck or the rewards here, because they have plenty to offer, and you can even refer your friends in order to make some more money by when they perform on different surveys. So this was the basic info about Price Rebel, and all these websites are pretty much similar. Once you understand one website, you can perform your activities and start doing surveys on different websites. They are pretty much similar, and they have all the different surveys. That's the basic difference between them, and you can make different tons of amount here as well, because this is also one of the trusted website, and there are many users out here. It's pretty much famous and global as well. And you'll have your levels here. The more surveys you do, your level will increase, and you'll also be rewarded more amount of money. So this was Price Rebel for you. Simply click on CashCrate official website. I'll give you all the links in the description below. So once you're here, you have different opportunities. You can either make money by doing surveys, you can even do a part-time job, or you can even get reward for different reviews, and you can even earn by shopping. So I'll go ahead and click on paid surveys. And once you're here, you'll see different programs or websites where you have to take up the surveys. So simply click on choose any website and click on visit program. And once you click on that, it will open up the website for you, where you will be given the sign up options. And after you sign up by entering all the basic details about you, you'll be given different options to take up surveys that will get you reward in return. And that's the easy method, or that's the whole procedure of working out with CashCrate. You go to different websites, you do the surveys, and that's pretty much it. That was a cash crate for you. And you can even try out different part-time jobs you have based upon your skills, what you are good at. And you can even check out the reward section, which gives you another different websites where you can go and you can make money online. So this is basically the search engine for different surveys, by using which you can reach out to more number of survey websites. And you can even earn discounts or cash rewards on surveys by getting different coupons. So that was cash crate for you. So next up we have Toluna. Simply go ahead and search Toluna, and this is all about answering different questions and getting rewards in return. So once you're here, click on get started, and all you have to do is sign up with your email. Once it opens up for you, go ahead and give your first name and fill out all the basic details about you. Press enter, give your email address, give your country, and create a password for you. Go ahead and confirm your mail. That is, you'll get a confirmation mail on your provided email address. Simply open up your Gmail or whatever account you have signed up with and click on confirm my account, and you'll be redirected to their website where you'll get different options on different surveys, and you have to answer different questions in order to make money here. So that was pretty basic, and that was all the steps you need to do in order to get started with Toluna. So that was Toluna for you. And next up we have Opinion Bureau. Simply type Opinion Bureau and you'll be redirected to the official website. And here you have to give your opinion about different products and reviews of different companies, and in return you'll get rewards, which could be in any form, that is gift card or even PayPal cash or Paytm rewards. So how it works, all you have to do is register and start reviewing different products on different companies. You'll get surveys to complete and in order to get rewards. So here are the rules: you don't have to pay anything to get started on these survey websites. It's pretty much simple and secure as well, as I have told earlier, and rewards could be in the form of Paytm coupons, Flipkart gift card, and other ways as well. So here is a sample question that you'll come across. You have to give your opinion on different website, which is the best website for social media and stuff like that. And it is that easy to get started on these websites and make money, like become financially independent, I would say. So simply go ahead and click on sign up and provide your basic email address and password. Click on sign up if you don't have an account already on Opinion Bureau. Next, and here you can either get started with Google or Facebook, or you can type your address. Go ahead and type your email address, and once it verifies your address, fill out these basic details, and once you are done with these details, simply click on sign up and you are done with the website. You can go ahead and answer different survey questions and give your opinion on reviews on different products of the company, and you'll get different gift card or cash in return. So that was easy, and that is how simple it is in order to get started on these survey websites. So these were the top 5 global websites which pays you for doing almost nothing, or which pays you for watching surveys. So that's the best part about these websites. And thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, do press the subscribe button. So thanks for watching, guys.